Hello again, friends. It's Running Kimono, and yet we have another amazing deal at Walgreens. This is a very good week, and this deal will be jumping into next week as well, as long as the rebate should still be there to get these Degree dry sprays for 41 cents. If you love dry spray, you know we haven't had a really good deal on this, so I just thought I would make a special video. So I'm looking at these prices curbside, but hopefully they'll be very similar in store. It is Degree, so it's not the Dove line, so it's a tier below Dove. But this is what we're grabbing. One of the ladies' Degree dry sprays for $7.49. I'm so excited I can't even talk. And one of the men's Degree dry sprays. And these are on the same promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. So hopefully you could follow where I'm going. These prices, again, are the online prices that I got. I did not see this deal till later this afternoon, so I couldn't check when I was in the store earlier today. If you want to do this as a curbside, all these prices should amount perfectly. The one thing about going in store is that you will have the opportunity to scan every single cent to ensure that it attaches perfectly with the rebate app. We're also going to load this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. So load that coupon right away. So the rebate app that we're going to use is Shopkick. I'm not a really big Shopkick user, but I have 800 points back for the men and then 800 points back for the women's dry spray. So 800 for each. Again, maybe I have such a high amount because I just don't use this app. But if you have it downloaded, if you can let me know in the comments what your amount is, because this is a lot. So Shopkick works that every 250 points is $1. So this is 1,600 points, which is basically $6.40. If you look on top, see how it says scan this item, and then if you scan it in store, it will you'll get an extra 15 points, and you'll also know if you're grabbing the exact scent that will work with this rebate too. So that's the better part of doing this in store, to just validate that you're grabbing the right stuff. Okay, so looking at the math for this, a Degree men and 1 Degree women is $11.23. Subtracting our friend, which is the 4 off 2 digital, you're paying $7.23. Getting back 1,600 Shopkick points, which is $6.40. The final price point here is 83 cents for the 2 or 41 cents per dry spray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster, and it's an opportunity to get some very inexpensive dry sprays. We used to get these for free and cheap all the time, like every other week at Walgreens, and it's kind of slowed down for this one specific product. But with Shopkick, it just seems like, 1,600 points, that's a lot. A whole lot. Now, one thing before I skedaddle, I wanted to mention to you guys, there is also this dry spray by Degree called Unlimited. It's $11.99, which is a lot. It's way more than even Dove. And it's on the same promotion with the 4 off of 2. Will it work with the Shopkick? I'm not sure. I'd have to scan it in store. It does have an IBOTTA rebate for $3 back for each. However, I think this is in its own lane for Shopkick. It's giving $3 back with IBOTTA, which would be fantastic. It's working with that 4 off of 2 digital, but you'd have to do a little bit of scanning and like double, triple check that it will work. And I believe there's only one version of this. There's not like a men and a women's that I can see. So, do this at your own discretion, because I know a lot of you will ask, well, what about Unlimited? I don't know. And if you live in a smaller market, I'm not even sure if this is on a store shelf yet. So good luck with this one. And if you can't run out to the store today, this promotion of buy one, get one 50% off is running again next week. We just have to double, triple check that the Shopkick rebate is still there so you can get your $6.40 back. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.